So hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to install OpenWeather into Home Assistant. So this is this is the second video of my Home Assistant journey. So there are not much solutions available online for a proper Home Assistant weather edition. So I will be showing you that. So let's get into it. To see the different types of home assistant integrations regarding weather we need to go to this part, devices and service. Now after that, as we know sun, we did the sun last time, so now this time we will be adding, find something related to weather. We have two things. We have many different weather stations, but let's try AccuWeather for first, and then we will see what happens next. First, we need something called the API key, I guess. So let's go to AccuWeather. AccuWeather API. Let's go to packages and pricing. See, we will be using the freeware version. Any location, current condition, 24 hours historical current conditions. We will be getting all this, a free daily forecast up to 5 days, hourly forecast up to 12 hours, and indices of 5 days. We will not be getting anything else. 50 calls max per day you will be getting. After the 50 calls you will not be allowed. There will be only one key allowed. So let's click get started now. I think this will be taking into a create new account. So it's saved actually. No need. The password was, I had already saved the password, so no issues. So we need to add a new app towards over here so that we can get our API. So I have requested add new app, and let's see what. So our app name will be Home Assistant. The API will be used over here will be other. It will be an internal app, and the programming language we will be clicking Python. Rest is same, just create the app. I think that would do. Just give it a few minutes, and AccuWeather should be giving you API for them. Yes, here it is. Just you need to click over here. Here is my API key. Just need to copy this key. I know that my key is visible over here, but don't worry about that because I'm going to delete this key. This is a trial account, and so I don't worry. So copying this, go into settings, add integrations, and AccuWeather. Now my latitudes are mostly similar. So I am 2288, and pasting the key over here and clicking submit. And yep, it's there. Clicking any area you can choose. If you don't have any specific area for this, then I suggest you not choosing one. It will be available for every room, so don't choose. Click finish, and this thing will be over here. Now next step, what you have to do is click on configure in AccuWeather and click weather focus. Please note this, due to limitations free versions of AccuWeather API, when you enable the weather focus, data updates will be performed every 80 minutes instead of 40 because of the 50 request limits that are there. So you gotta take care of that. So the Home Assistant requests the weather updates every 80 minutes, which for me is fine. So submit, finish. Now see, there are 109 entities. Okay, there is one service. Yes, this is the service. Now if you want, you can directly get down and add everything over here. Like today's wind speed is 10.9, 0 day 7.4 kilometers, 0 days 9.3. After a day it will be 7.4, 7.4. The third day will be 5.6. Similarly, third thunderstorm probability on day third, we say 50%. There is a 50% chance of thunderstorm. There are so many details over here. So how do we add this to our dashboard? Okay, simply come over here. See this, this whole thing is already added, but we don't like it like this one. So what we are going to do, we are going to click edit. If you want, you can start with an empty dashboard. It will automatically delete whatever is there in your dashboard, but for now I'm not doing this. So I said take control, go down, delete card, delete. Now next step will be adding a new card. What we will do, we will be adding statistical graph. Let's say now go coming down, you can see minimum, maximum, sum, line option and bar option. Just let me show you. All these are there. Let's take temperature. Okay, for 5 minutes. See, it will be rolling every hour. You need to give it a time. 5 minutes. I would select an hour. See, 5 minutes is available because the temperatures did not come in. It takes 80 minutes to come. So we have to wait for the next jump. Before that, days to show. Now here it shows 30 days, but I think 7 will be fine. Now what type of graph do you want? Will it be a bar graph like this, or would it be a line graph like this? You see, bar graph is much more prominent for you to see, so I'm keeping the bar graph. I will be removing these three things. Only the sum will be there. And see, 5, it's showing us like this because no more data is available. Once the data is available, 7 days data, once it's available, it will be filled up. There is nothing, but there is something, you will see it later on. And remove the word weather and temperature, save. Once I've done this, the cards all have gone like this. So how do we sort this? So if you want to sort it properly, you have to add all the cards in a grid. If you want, you can do that. Or else there is one more way to do it. You can move the graphs like this, up and down. Let's move it. Let's press down over here. See, it's a complete different setup, but if you want to say add others, so we will be adding cards, clicking over here, adding, say we want to add something else, so we will be clicking on that card, and over here we can give something like entities, different entities, like this one. So title weather report. It will be basically a present weather report. So there is nothing much. See, the cloud ceiling is 9,144 meters. We can add something else. Even if you want, we can add, let's see, real temperature. See, we can add the temperature over here. We can add home wind. Yes, like this. We can add this, and we can add headers. No, choose a footer and keep a graph over there, entity, let's say the pressure tendency. It's a steady graph. We will be getting notified if there is a sudden change in the pressure. Then now the pressure is steady, there is no issue with it, and home precipitation is level at 0.0 mm. 24 hours graph to show more details. So after saving it, see a new card is already there. Now just click done and voila. So this is basically how you use API keys to see and use AccuWeather weather on your home assistant, which this comes really very handy, and other weather stations. There is track wicket weather station, ambient weather station, there is national weather service which is also there. For now, this is all for this video. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Like the video, comment about the video. If you even didn't like the video, if you didn't understand what I said, please comment about it. And as for always, at last, subscribe to SS Tech Studios for more videos like this.